Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys are watching Online World YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to explain how to claim free NFT tokens to your Trust wallet without spending a single rupees. So guys, it is completely free. There is no need of investment for these tokens. So you will get these tokens completely free of cost. So before going into this video, please do subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get notification of further upcoming videos. So if you not click on bell icon, then you will going to miss our notifications. Okay, so please do click on subscribe button as well as bell icon. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So as I told before, I'm going to explain step by step how to claim the NFT free NFT tokens. So as you can see here in my wallet, I have more tokens. These all tokens I claimed free of cost without spending a single rupee. So first one is a PNS coin, then one is ProChain and Sandion Jong Boy token and SNS token. Like this we have 10 to 11 tokens. So these are the tokens which are claimed through airdrop with completely free of cost. So I'll just explain with one example, so you can do same process for the all these coins. Okay, so I'll take a ProChain as a example. So I'll just open the ProChain. As you can see here, I have claimed 88,888.88 coins. That means it's completely free. There is no need of wasting your money here. So you'll just go and do the process whatever I am going to tell now. So just do that process, you will get these coins without spending a single rupees. So just you need to do the small simple process. So I'll explain step by step. So what you need to do is, first you have to create your Trust Wallet account. If you don't know how to create a Trust Wallet, then go to Play Store and download Trust Wallet. Otherwise, I given a link in the description. Just go and click on that link. You will directly you will redirect to that particular app. Then you will just install it and create one wallet. Then you will have a wallet in your Trust Wallet app. So after that, what you need to do is, I have given my Telegram channel link in the description. So just join to that particular Telegram channel. So I'll show my Telegram channel. This is one of my Telegram channel, Crypto Signals Online World. So where you will get all information regarding cryptocurrencies. Here we post some tips and information about all cryptocurrencies. So and also provide some suggestions to buying and selling of particular NFT tokens as well as cryptocurrencies, so that you will have a profit through trading. So this is our channel. So what you need to do is, you have to join our Telegram channel. Why? Because you need some particular links to get those NFT tokens. So I have provided these links in the this channel. Why? Because if I provide this text, or if I provide this address in the description box, then you will not able to copy this particular address. So just go and join our Telegram channel, and you will have a address in our channel. So for example, as I told before, ProChain, just I click on that particular link, then text copied to your clipboard. That means address is copied here. You need to create your Trust Wallet account. Then you go to join our Telegram channel. Then click on the link whatever I provided in Telegram channel. So I'll just click on ProCoin. So I'll just copy it here. So then go back to my Trust Wallet. So once after that, so come back to your main page. Then you need to click on this icon, as you can see here at the right top corner. So you just need to click on that particular icon. Then as you can see here, we have a search token here. So what you need to do is just paste the copied text in the search token bar. Then you will have a ProChain option like this. We have ProChain ERC20. This is one of the token which I got freely from the airdrop without spending a single rupee. So just what you need to do is, you just need to turn on this icon. So then you will have a coins in your wallet. So I just turned on here. So come back to ProChain. So as you can see here, we have ProChain here. So 88,888. So as you can see here, 88,000, because I was already claimed this token. So it is only for once per person and per wallet. So you just need to claim these tokens once per one wallet. But the important thing in these tokens, you have to do same things for all tokens. This is for ProChain. If you want to PNS coin, then you need to copy this text, then go back to Trust Wallet and go back to this icon and search search for this particular token, then click on this enable this particular token here, then you will have a PNS coin in your trust wallet. So as you can see here, we have ProChain and pennies. This is called PNS. So like this we have 10 to 11 coins, so you can just go and claim all the coins. The process is similar to particular ProChain or PNS. So the same process you need to follow for all the coins, so you will have every coin in your wallet. So important thing in these particular coins is we don't know whether the as of now we have zero value for this particular coins. For example, as I told before, ProChain, as you can see here, we have 88,888 coins in our wallet, but presently the worth of these coins is 0 rupees. So there may be chance for getting value in the future. So we are not spending any money on these coins, so it's for free, so then go and just claim these coins. If you have a value in your future, then you will have a good profits. Otherwise you will not going to lose anything here. So it's completely free, just do. So as I give a suggestion also here, there is no value of any tokens now, but maybe in future if you have value in future, then you will get benefits from this easy process. If the value is not if in future there is no value, still it's showing 0, means you are not going to lose anything here, because you are not spending any amount on these particular tokens. So this is completely free, then go and just claim this particular token. So this is all about I want to share with you guys. So in this video, so I'll make some more interesting videos in future, so please do subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get notification of particular those videos. So I'll meet in the next video. Until then, keep earning.